Welcome guys to our YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by FinStreets. FinStreet is an application जहाँ पे financial market, money market के regarding अगर आपको किसी भी तरीके का कोर्स करना है, you will find it on the same application. इन लोगों के पास सारे कोर्सेस अवेलेबल है at just the cost of 1000 rupees. ऑन द टॉप ऑफ इट सिर्फ पढ़ाई नहीं होती. अगर बोर हो गए हो, फिल्म देखनी है, वेब सीरीज़ देखनी है या शॉर्ट फिल्म देखनी है, तो ये सारी चीज़ें भी इसी एप्लीकेशन पर मिलेगी फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के रिगार्डिंग. इन लोगों के पास ऑडियो बुक भी है ताकि आप ट्रैवल करते करते वो चीज़ें भी सुन सकते हो. न्यूज़ अपडेट्स रिगार्डिंग फाइनेंशियल मार्केट, ये सारी चीज़ें मिल जाएगी इस एप्लीकेशन पर. तो चलिए पॉडकास्ट शुरू करते हैं. हर हर महादेव, जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय झूलेलाल, सत श्री अकाल, राधे राधे. नमस्कार दोस्तों, काफ़ी टाइम के बाद स्वागत है आपका साफ संवाद सीधी बात बाय डीएच प्रोडक्शन के एक और अनोखे पॉडकास्ट में. आज के गेस्ट की अगर मैं बात करूं तो उन्होंने अपना एकेडमिक्स तो कुछ इस तरह शुरू किया कि वो सोच रहे थे कि लोगों की स्माइल के बारे में और उनकी स्माइल की इम्प्रूवमेंट के बारे में. अभी भी वो वही कर रहे हैं, बस फ़र्क इतना है अब अपनी क्यूट सी स्माइल से एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री में स्माइल दिला रहे सबको. या आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट नन अदर देन वेरी स्वीट, very cute. She's an amazing actor, amazing doctor, amazing, what we say, influencer. When I say influencer, she is not this Instagram reels wala influencer. She did it from TikTok. No, I mean musically. Yes, exactly. She is that old in terms of art and she is that young in terms of being an artist. So without wasting our time, Achal Shah. Yes, Achal Shah, how are you doing?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm doing really fine. Oh my God. Finally, guys, I'm back on the podcast after ages.
Yeah.
All right. So, yeah, Achal, first of all, welcome. Thank you so much for sitting with us. Thank you so much for giving us time. And I really, really hope that अभी तक कोई problem नहीं हुई आपको.
Of course not. And thank you to DH Productions for having me. And yeah, I'm loving it so far. जितनी अभी तो we just started, but जितनी बातें हुई, I'm loving it. So,
Perfect. So as I said, I have been kind of really, मैं आपको ना तब से फॉलो कर रहा हूँ म्यूजिकली के टाइम से. आई हैव सीन योर कंटेंट स्टार्टिंग वाले, लिप सिंक वाले एंड सो मेनी अदर थिंग्स. सो फ्रॉम अ 7 inch ऑफ अ स्क्रीन नाउ इट इज़ लाइक 70 mm का फ्रेम जिसमें
Yeah.
हम देखते हैं आपको. व्हाट इज़ द जर्नी लाइक?
So very honestly, it was just after my exam कि मेरे को ऐसे क्लियर था कि आई वांट टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. बचपन से क्लियर था कि आई वांट टू डू MBBS, फिर उसके बाद गायनेक बनूंगी, ये करूँ. एवरीथिंग वाज सेट ये करना है. बट यू नो लाइफ डजंट गो हाउ यू प्लान. सो इट वाज लाइक दैट. तो मेरी नीट की एग्जाम्स खत्म हुई, 2-3 महीने का ब्रेक था. एंड उस टाइम पे जस्ट आई स्टार्टेड आउट ऑफ ब्लू, जस्ट फॉर टाइम पास बोल सकते हैं. वेरी ऑनेस्टली देयर वाज दिस फैशन शो एंड आई टुक पार्ट इन दैट जस्ट कि हाँ मेरे को पसंद है. बिकॉज इन स्कूल ऑल्सो आई यूज टू बी द फर्स्ट वन इन ऑल द करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. या डांस हो तो आई एम लीडिंग इट, ड्रामा हो तो आई एम लीडिंग इट. सो इट वॉज लाइक दैट, वो अंदर था. ऑल्सो बहुत कम लोगों को पता है कि आई डिड अ शॉर्ट फिल्म Gullak the Piggy Bank करके.
Yeah, as a child artist we researched about that.
Yeah, with Manish Saini, and it got 6 to 7 film festivals में it got showcased, many awards and everything.
12 years back if I'm not wrong with my data.
No, I was 7 at that time.
You were 7 but this is 12 years back.
It was in 2008-9, so थोड़ा ज़्यादा, but yeah. So I and after that also I started getting opportunities, but मैं ना बहुत क्लियर थी कि ये नहीं करना है मेरे को, तो डॉक्टर बनना है. I want to do that. But it was destiny. I feel कि धीरे धीरे you know it's then I started doing modeling because I used to उस जो मैंने फैशन शो किया था उसके बाद I got a very good reach in terms of. मेरे को तो ऐसा था, मैं very honestly वो रिहर्सल्स होते उसमें भी नहीं जाती थी. I used to like bunk and we friends used to chill. यार 12th खत्म हुआ है तो you know बच्चे कैसे होते हैं. Then I did that show. Next day newspapers में every front page it was my photo. I was like okay fine,
अच्छा लग रहा है.
हाँ मतलब ठीक है, okay. But I never thought of pursuing it again, like कि अच्छा एंड देन क्योंकि यार एडमिशन्स के इतने टेंशन्स थे, क्योंकि वेरी ऑनेस्टली मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट बी नोइंग हाउ डिफिकल्ट दैट टाइम इज, कि जब तक आपका एडमिशन नहीं हो जाता कौन सी कॉलेज में, ये राउंड वो राउंड, तो उसमें मैं नहीं सोच रही थी. बट देन आई स्टार्टेड गेटिंग अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर शूट फोटोग्राफर्स के, तो उस टाइम पे तो वो भी बहुत बड़ी ऐसे लगता था कि ओ माय गॉड. Okay, my parents, so I'm the first one in my entire family to like be in this industry and to also be a doctor.
Wow.
So they were like कि नहीं ये फील्ड नहीं, ये वो कि ठीक है. एंड आई वॉज लाइक यार मेरे को करना है, बट दे वर लाइक इट्स नॉट सेफ. एंड जैसा होता है जनरली होता है, एंड इट्स वेरी normal for parents to
feel that way.
Yeah,
correct.
So I was like, मैंने उनको कन्विंस किया कि एक बार आप उनसे मिलो, जो टीम है उनसे मिलो, have a conversation. If you think कि ये फिजिबल है, ये करना चाहिए, ये सेफ है, तो ही मैं करूँगी.
Nice. Very good.
So I called the team at my home. They sat, they had a conversation, and they were like, okay. तो मेरे को याद, and तब I was 17 years old. Was way too young. तो उस टाइम पे माई पेरेंट्स अग्रीड, बट ऑन वन कंडीशन कि या तो तुम्हारा भाई या तो कोई भी तुम्हारा मेल फ्रेंड विल बी विथ यू ऑन सेट. या एक साल ऐसा चला. नाउ दे आर सो चिल. आई एम लाइक आई गो एंड लाइक इट हैज कम्प्लीटली चेंज. वो सिर्फ एक साल था, एंड देन दे गॉट टू नो इट इज रियली सेफ एंड इट इज ऑन यू, वेरी ऑनेस्टली. So yeah, then I also जब modeling करती थी उसके साथ I started doing shoots वगैरह. Then I started making TikTok. अच्छा, मेरे को बहुत very honestly मेरे को ये लगता था कि यार ये सब क्या है, मेरे को नहीं आता. एंड तो but one of my friend pushed me कि ये try कर, ये तू कर सकती है. ऐसा TikTok था, Musical.ly था पहले तो. So I was like okay, and then I started making videos. And it started getting reach. तो जब फेम आता है तो किसको नहीं अच्छा लगता है. तो I started doing that, and उसके बाद because of the things I used to post on Instagram, every person maintains the Instagram and everything. So I got offered a song with a very good singer. उसके बाद so it started falling. I used to give auditions. ये तो it's a very long journey. It's like what 6 साल हो गए उस बात को. तो
6 years you are, I mean, you are in front of camera from like 6 years actually.
Yeah, like in proper
in camera be it phone camera, started with a phone camera, then फिर cinematic cameras लगने लग गए. How does it feel? I mean like so तुम जब एक content shoot कर रहे हो, you're sitting in your room, you're a content creator, you have a thought, you have your own pattern. So if someone is into fashion, they'll plan accordingly.
Right.
Someone is into transaction, they'll plan accordingly. So you're creating a content for yourself.
Yeah.
And got to, because I know it's still a journey to jump in, right?
Yeah.
Then फिर director बता रहा है, stories पढ़ी जा रही है, constantly reading हो रही है, scripts पढ़ी जा रही है, character development हो रहा है. So what is the difference as per you when you act as an actor?
Yeah. So see, I was very clear from the beginning when I started that I want to do, like, be in the industry. I want to act in front of camera, not on the phone thing. Okay, it was not settled in my mind कि अच्छा यही करना है, but okay मेरे को था कि मैं करूँगी, because whenever I used to see a film, तो ऐसा होता था कि भाई एक दिन तो मैं भी आऊँगी. It was a long thought. उस टाइम पे सोचा नहीं था it will be true, and films will be releasing, all of that. But making videos, like if you say reels or TikTok or whatever, वो ना very honestly टाइम पास वाली चीज थी. कि आप अपने फ्री टाइम को कैसे यूटिलाइज कर रहे हो. और very honestly I was on that platform because of the love I was getting from the people. That's it. कि ऐसा नहीं था कि इससे मैं कुछ बड़ा हासिल कर लूँगी, ये वो. या people were also the industry people have been judgmental about it.
Really? Yeah. We faced that thing.
Yeah, of course, there is no doubt about it. But क्या था ना कि मैं रखती थी और मेरा वायरल होता था, उन लोगों का नहीं होता था, उसमें मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. So yeah, मतलब everyone, and that time when people were talking कि ये see reels is like another version of TikTok, right?
Yeah, correct.
Kind of the quality is different, all of that. पर अभी तो सब बना रहे हैं
हर कोई कर रहा है, मतलब हाँ
तो क्यों बना रहे हो.
हाँ पॉइंट है, मतलब ठीक है, थोड़ा सा वो है रहा लोगों ने ये obviously first they made it in a play that कि TikTok is for like 30 सेकंड वाले लोगों का entertainment, 30 सेकंड वाले लोगों का creativity. But yeah, I mean, content has moved that fast. Everyone has moved into it.
And very honestly, because I after TikTok, so मेरा गोल ना बहुत क्लियर था. आई एम नॉट सेड दिस, बट मेरे को ऐसा था एक मेरे को 1 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स करने हैं बस. उसके बाद आई डोंट वांट कि ठीक है. तो आई वाज एक्चुअली शूटिंग फॉर अ फिल्म दैट वाज गोइंग टू बी माय डेब्यू फिल्म कोविड से जस्ट पहले. और लॉकडाउन हुआ, वी केम बैक. तो मेरे को तो मतलब जो ब्रेक था उसमें आई वाज लाइक क्या करूँ, मेरे को काम करना है, पैसे कमाना है घर पे बैठ के. सो ब्रांड्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट दे यूज्ड टू पे ऑन टिकटॉक एंड एवरीथिंग. और मैं बनाती थी. और मेरा टाइम ना ऐसे रात का होता था. एंड माई पेरेंट्स वर वेरी सपोर्टिव कि चलो बनाते हैं, ये करते हैं. एंड एक्चुअली द वीडियोज आई हैव मेड विथ माई पेरेंट्स हैव गॉन रियली वायरल. सो वी यूज्ड टू डू फन थिंग. उस टाइम पे हम लोग उतने ही थे घर पे, क्या करें. वी यूज्ड टू सी मूवीज एंड स्टफ एंड वी यूज्ड टू मेक वीडियोज. अच्छा 1 मिलियन जब हो गए अराउंड अप्रैल,
म्यूजिक क्लिप
या टिकटॉक हो गया था.
टिकटॉक हो गया था.
तो 1 मिलियन हो गया ना. आई वाज लाइक ओके, अब हो गया, अब नहीं करना है. सो आई रिमेंबर आफ्टर रीचिंग 1 मिलियन मैंने कितने टाइम तक वीडियोस नहीं बनाए थे. लिटरली फॉर अ मंथ आई डिडंट मेक वीडियोस. आई वाज लाइक आई एम डन विथ माय थिंग. और मेरी मम्मी ने बोला कि तेरे को मिल गया तो तू क्या बैठ जाएगी, मेक वीडियोस, डू दिस, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग, बट डोंट टेक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड. एंड आई शुडंट से दिस, बट एक्चुअली कोविड के टाइम पे क्रिंज हो गया था. लाइक आफ्टर दैट इफ यू सी कि एक्चुअल कंटेंट जो होता था लाइक ट्रांजिशन वीडियोस या एक्टिंग वाले वीडियोस, दे यूज्ड टू गेट लेसर रीच, बट द क्रिंज कंटेंट was going viral. और उस टाइम पे YouTube वर्सेस कुछ तो हुआ था.
वो तो बहुत तगड़ी
and I was on the YouTube side, so our whole group were on the YouTube side.
Although you were TikTokers.
Yeah, like not all of them were with
majority
me.
of the people were TikTokers.
Yeah, but we were like my group who were I knew from TikTok, they were on YouTube side कि यार सही है, ये लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, ये कंटेंट थोड़ी. एंड वी रियली वांटेड टिकटॉक टू गो. सो जब टिकटॉक गया, सो वन ऑफ माय इन्फ्लुएंसर और क्रिएटर फ्रेंड कॉल्ड मी कि आंचल गया. एंड वी लाफ्ड लाइक एनीथिंग, लाइक वी वर रियली हैप्पी.
किसने फोन किया था?
So Vishal Dope is a good friend, and he called me to inform me कि you know the TikTok has gone, and we were really happy because we really wanted कि actual content, actual creators बाहर है. तो we talked on that also कि अब असली talent दिखेगा, अब असली talent आएगा. And actually it helped for India कि and for the creators of India कि after that on Instagram people are actually मेहनत कर रहे हैं. टैलेंटेड लोगों की रील ज्यादा आ रही है. इट्स नॉट जस्ट क्रिंज. सो या आई फील दैट इट वाज अ गुड थिंग दैट इट वेंट एंड वी वर रियली हैप्पी.
I'm surprised to know this thing that you obviously the name you took, Vishal Deep. Obviously I don't know him personally, but he's a great content creator. Obviously, I think I have met it once or twice, maybe in an event or so. Maybe I would be wrong around here, but he is that guy. He started doing it since Dub Smash was there.
Yeah.
So I really like that dedication of him. और अभी तो he is one of the very good thing doing in the market. So God bless brother. Keep doing, keep loving, and don't stop. But yeah, surprised to know that you were on the YouTube side because there was a phase जहाँ पर actually हम लोगों में भी हो गया था कि TikTokers हैं.
हाँ, of course, and there was no wrong because हो गया था भाई. उसमें कुछ है ही नहीं कि ठीक है. और वो लोग जो बोल रहे थे, जो टिकटॉक के लिए पूरे टिकटॉक के लिए स्टैंड ले रहे थे, वो क्या कर रहे थे. सो
How did your school life was?
Amazing. Yeah, I miss it. मेरे को बहुत याद आती है.
Do you miss school? Do you miss school के friends, teachers? What do you miss exactly?
I miss the innocence
that you had. That आप में
at
थी?
that time. हाँ.
आप में थी या in general?
मेरे में अभी भी है.
हाँ, मैं वही.
हाँ, but innocence in the sense कि friendships were true. लोग फेक नहीं होते थे. लोगों को पता ही नहीं होता था भाई फेक कैसे होना है. So it was very pure, I feel. The friendships, the teaching and everything. It was just कि और वो time बहुत different था स्कूल वाला. I really wish कि I can live that again. उस टाइम पे ऐसा था कि यार बड़े होना है, कॉलेज में जाना है, ये वो, बट nothing can beat school time.
हाँ, वो है कॉलेज में तुम लगता है वो ऐसे ही होता है कि तुम्हें नेक्स्ट वाला अच्छा लगता है पर रियलाइज होता नहीं. That was much better.
School was and I was in the same school from my nursery to 12th.
क्या बात, very nice.
Yeah, so the teachers, everyone was so warming.
How do you feel a difference right now in your current working pattern? I mean, how do you adapt the characters? Because you have done 4, 5 films
Yeah.
yet. I mean,
Yeah, yeah,
2, 3 that is like full banner films, and
Yeah,
rest
yeah.
2, 3 films coming in with supporting,
yeah.
helping characters.
Yeah.
But anyway, even a passing character is a character. I feel
Yeah,
like
yeah,
that. So, what is your character development strategy? How do you read the script? What do you think of
So
it?
first, तो नरेशन जब होता है यू नो व्हेन आई गेट नरेटेड फॉर अ फिल्म, तभी आपको पता लग जाता है कि अच्छा द कैरेक्टर दे आर टॉकिंग फॉर मी टू एक्ट, वो मैं कर पाऊंगी नहीं कर पाऊंगी, एम आई रिलेटिंग इट टू इट और नॉट. देन आई गो थ्रू स्क्रिप्ट्स बहुत सारी बार. आई रियली, इट्स नॉट मगिंग बट कि मैं
Reading it.
उतारती हूँ कि अच्छा क्या हो सकता है.
Correct.
Then there is this, if you know, like you are from the same field, there are who, what, when वाला जो होता है.
true. The
So
bones
I
that you
develop the character, I sit down, I write कि अच्छा इसके आगे का क्या, पीछे का क्या, ये वो, what can I do. I sit with the director. So I am that one person कि on set अगर मेरे को director, I am actually a director's actor कि मेरे को लग
क्या?
रहा है, पर अगर डायरेक्टर इज सेइंग दिस कि आंचल दिस, ओके फाइन, आई विल गो विद दैट. एंड आई थिंक दैट्स हाउ यू शुड वर्क बिकॉज ही हैज मोर मे बी विजन देन यू.
Correct.
सो आई अडेप्टेड कंप्लीटली बिफोर द फिल्म ओनली. ऑफ कोर्स फिर फिल्म करते करते वो ज़्यादा अंदर आ जाता है आपके अंदर. एंड समटाइम्स इट हैज़ बिकम प्रॉब्लम, नॉट प्रॉब्लम बट कि वो कैरेक्टर ना छूटता नहीं है जब फिल्म खत्म हो जाती है.
After that, you feel that after effects.
Yeah, it is
You
there.
go through that.
Yeah, it is somewhat, some, you know, थोड़े रह ही जाते
अभी
हैं.
थोड़े
I
से
think,
ऐसे रेवा वाले कैरेक्टर में लग तो रहे हो मेरे को थोड़ा। मतलब
हाँ, see, if I talk about Reva from NTR, so I wore kurtas, if you know, I wore kurtas in the whole film.
True.
उसके बाद आई हैव स्टार्टेड वेयरिंग कुर्ताज इन माई रियल
Real
लाइफ.
life,
आई हैव लिटरली अडेप्टेड दैट. उसके बाद 1-2 महीना तो मैं कुर्ता ही पहन के घूमती थी. एंड माई मॉम वाज लाइक, एक्चुअली यू हैव सो मेनी क्लोथ्स, व्हाई यू आर वेयरिंग कुर्ताज. मैंने उसके बाद मेरे पर्सनल इतने बनवाए कि नो, आई एम लाइकिंग दैट. एंड यू नो, यू टेक दैट. सो देर आर थिंग्स एंड इट इज अ गुड थिंग. आई फील एक्टर में ये होना चाहिए. यू हैव टू क्लेंज इट आउट सम वे. बट I feel, and I have loved all my characters, whatever. तब भी मैं करती हूँ. अगर मेरे को, it's not about the film, it's about the character. मेरे को पसंद आ रहा है कि okay. And you know, when I started, I was really young. So मेरी you know, selection और knowledge भी थोड़ा कम था. Now it is widening. So I know the things behind it, what to do. तो बहुत actually with time and with age you grow, and I feel I have grown a lot from where I started to where I am.
because we guys have literally yesterday night we were researching, we were making everything. Tab we saw Gullak.
Oh,
like,
did you?
Yeah, we did. Yeah, obviously. That वो window वाला shot जिसमें वो दादाजी पीछे खड़े हैं. You are
Yes.
stable with your brother.
Yeah.
Very beautifully presented
so sweet,
shot.
यार,
Very
वो
beautiful.
बहुत कम लोगों ने देखा है.
हाँ,
But
so yeah, that is a very great short film definitely to watch. Again, award-winning films हैं.
yeah.
So we have seen there, and last thing that we saw was NTR.
Yeah,
and NTR was literally amazing film. मैं तो
Thank
बहुत अच्छा film
Thank
है.
you.
जो रिव्यू हमने दिया था वो पेड नहीं था, वो actual genuine review था.
I know.
But in that case, we have seen you growing, as you said, selection of films as well.
Yeah.
There were a couple of films that you did in past
Yeah.
did not go well. I mean, that is business.
Yeah,
I feel
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
But yeah, obviously we could sense that maturity in selection the character.
You know, I'll talk about selecting films because उस time पे क्या होता है, when you are a newcomer, like you know no one from the industry, you know nothing कि यहाँ पे कौन है, क्या है, कैसे काम करना है. तो तब ना जब you are working hard, तब आपको एक फिल्म स्टार्टिंग में ऑफर होती है ना, वो आप ले लेते हो. Because I want to be seen, I want to work.
Yeah, true.
So I guess 2 films are there which I did because I wanted to work. That's it. So they were that films कि मेरे को काम करना है, मेरे को दिखना है, तो आगे शायद मेरे को काम ऑफर हो. उस वजह से I did that films and okay fine. I don't regret any of my project. I have learned मतलब on every set I have learned something new. तो मेरे को है कि नहीं, ओके फाइन. सो या इट इज़ दैट. अब वो होता है थोड़ा कि ये करनी है नहीं करनी है, उस टाइम पे नहीं होता है. कर लेते हैं.
What's your favorite character that you played? मतलब that character, say hypothetically, if you're a director of your own life, you want to live that character for life, कि यार ये जिंदगी चाहिए या ये कैरेक्टर चाहिए, मतलब something like that.
Very honestly ऐसा कैरेक्टर अभी तक नहीं मिला है
Okay.
कि I want to if you talk about my favorite character I can say that, but ऐसा character
चलो ठीक है, फेवरेट वाला बता दो.
मीरा करके जो मौनम मेरी फिल्म है,
हाँ, मौनम. Yeah.
I loved that character because the character had shades. It was not just a girl next door character. The story was revolving around her, and उस पूरी फिल्म में I had a challenge, and उसकी वजह से I did that film because उसमें I can't speak in the whole film. मैं Monam,
Correct,
so
yes,
yeah, it was like that, and I loved playing that character. So yeah, that is one character. You know, when actor gets that space
Very
and
true.
that challenge, that something out of the box, अच्छा ये करना है, तो yeah, it was that, and I love it, and I want such more characters जिसमें मेरे को ऐसे मेहनत करनी पड़े बहुत
That
ज़्यादा.
is, and the claps after it are worth.
Yeah,
I mean, that does feel superbly amazing.
yeah.
कि जब आप एक कंफर्ट जोन के बाहर निकल के काम
Yes.
करते हो, that is great. I mean, unfortunately, I haven't watched Monam, but yeah, obviously we saw the trailer, so we could have understood the level of making of that film would be. Well, I'm definitely watching that film again for
Yes.
sure. You are so much into adventure as well.
Yeah.
You did couple of sports, scuba diving, skydiving, right?
Yes.
Yeah, went to Disneyland. I cried a little there. What is that? I mean, not everyone likes to. Not saying girls. लड़कों को भी फटती है यार, नहीं मजा आता, किसको कितना ऊपर से कूदाते हैं वो पानी में. What make you do that?
Very honestly, ZNMD आई ना,
हाँ,
तब
every
बहुत
बार.
छोटी थी, very honestly, and I was like, यार ऐसा मेरे को भी करना है. And I don't know why, but मेरे को कोई भी रोलर कोस्टर में बिठा दो, कोई भी ऐसे एडवेंचरस किसी भी मेरे को नहीं फटती.
क्या बात?
आई एम नॉट किडिंग, आई एम नॉट इवन जोकिंग. जब स्काई डाइविंग करने गई तो जब वो होता है व्हेन यू हैव टू टेक द जंप, दैट्स द मोस्ट नर्वस. आई वाज मतलब मैं 0.001% भी नर्वस नहीं थी. मैंने जैसे ही, इफ यू हैव सीन द वीडियो, मैं जैसे ही कूदी, आई जस्ट ओपन माय आर्म्स इन लाइक 5 seconds.
I've seen that video, yeah.
And
You were like, whoa,
yeah, and the
come on.
instructor, he was like, you really can try more, like you can become a diver if you want.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, fine. And he praised me कि ऐसा first time में नहीं होता है, and he then gave me that thing, parachute handle करने के लिए.
क्या बात है, very nice. You did that.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So that मेरे को उसमें नहीं था, but yeah, I love beach and पानी and all of that, but I can't swim. So scuba I was a bit उस हिसाब से I was like little bit nervous because I don't know how to swim.
Okay.
और सांस कैसे रोकनी है पानी के अंदर. पर मेरे को था कि करना तो है, कुछ भी हो जाए. सो आई रिमेंबर कि आई कॉल्ड, आई डिड इट वेरी रिसेंटली व्हेन आई विजिटेड बाली. और मैंने कॉल किया कि अच्छा क्या टाइमिंग है. उन्होंने बोला 10 मिनट में वी आर टेकिंग द लास्ट लॉट. एंड क्योंकि इट वॉज इन द मॉर्निंग आई गेस, वेरी और एंड आई रैन देन 3-4 घंटे का मतलब होता है, आपको सिखाते हैं, ट्रेनिंग होती है. And they take 20-30 people on the boat, and 3 के ग्रुप्स होते हैं, who with them there is one instructor. And ऐसा होता है कि अगर आपको नहीं करना है, you will say नहीं भाई हो गया. There are signs, different signs, and you say no, like I'm not okay, I want to go up.
okay,
वो
yeah.
3 बार पूछते हैं, then they take you up. पर and there is this oxygen limit as, okay, I'm getting too technical, but
it's fine. Say whatever you want.
हाँ,
It's
तो
fine.
उसमें ऑक्सीजन लिमिट होती है. आप में कुछ आई डोंट रिमेम्बर अभी एग्जैक्टली, बट कुछ % ऑक्सीजन हो तो देन दे विल ब्रिंग यू अप.
Okay.
तो आई वॉज सो ग्लैड कि मेरे को स्विमिंग नहीं आती थी, फिर भी आई ऑन दैट 30 people on the boat, I was the last one to come out.
Very good.
Every like एक 1.5 घंटा में पानी के अंदर थी.
Oh wow.
And there were turtles, and it was so peaceful, so
It
peaceful.
must be really so beautiful inside.
Yeah. And मेरे साथ जितने भी थे वो सब कप के ऊपर चले गए थे. किसी ने 10 मिनट में अबॉर्ट कर दिया था, ये वो. I was like, I decided कि कुछ भी हो जाए, पानी भर जाए, I will stay calm and I'll complete it. वो मेरे को ना, मैं खुद को चैलेंज दे देती हूँ.
Very good.
कि ये तो इतना करना ही है, कैसे ना क्यों हो. तो yeah, it was really good. And again they also asked me ke you can do a course आगे, you are really good at
Very
it.
nice.
I was like okay, yeah.
एक्टिंग खुद सीखी, देन गेटिंग इनटू डेंटल, तो यू वर गुड ऑब्वियसली टीचर, मतलब पढ़ाई अच्छी करी, सो यू एज्ड इन एवरीथिंग, स्कूल में भी टॉपर थी इसीलिए तुम्हें फिर एएमसी मिला ऑब्वियसली, ऐसे तो नहीं मिलता ना, नीट अच्छे से निकालना पड़ता है, फिर वो निकल गया, एक्टिंग अच्छा खासा चल रहा है, म्यूजिक भी अच्छा खासा वायरल था, तो टैलेंटेड तो थे ही तुम स्टार्टिंग से. व्हाट इज दैट वन थिंग दैट यू फील कि यार ये छूट गया, अभी तक नहीं करा, मतलब ये करना है, be it career wise, be it a moment that you want to live?
uh, Everything is going good, but I feel कि I want to do more of reading जो छूट गया है.
रीडिंग नहीं हो रही है अभी?
इतनी नहीं हो पा रही है because you are so occupied and everything. मैं बुक्स रीड करती हूँ, पहले आई यूज टू रीड अ लॉट ऑफ बुक्स, अभी like in last 2-3 years I'm not able to read much books. I've started again, but I want to do that more. I want to increase my knowledge. I sometimes feel कि I don't know why, पर मैं खुद पे ही वो प्रेशर ले लेती हूँ कि यार you should, as a person you only live once, तो नॉलेज होना चाहिए सब चीज़ों का, बीट एनीथिंग, लाइक इफ दे आर हैविंग, लाइक पीपल आर हैविंग एनी कॉन्वर्जेशन एनीवेयर यू गो, यू शुड हैव नॉलेज. सो आई वांट टू इंक्रीज दैट एंड या आई
मेरे पास भी एक रीडर, दैट इज द रीडर, आई मीन बैठे बैठे 3 दिन में नॉवेल खत्म करवाने ले लोग हैं वो. कंटेंट यही निकाल के देते फिर हम लोगों को, मेहनत नहीं.
Oh good यार, I want to do that. And
But yeah, that is someone I know, a very good director. He told me कि अगर तुम्हें अच्छा एक्टर बनना है तो you have to have a crazy habit of reading.
yeah, true.
And विजय सेतुपति का भी एक रील बहुत वायरल हुआ था कि if you want to get into acting, read books and read descriptions. That helps you a lot because क्योंकि तुम्हें दिखता नहीं है, अब तुम पढ़ रहे हो, और दैट इज़ अ वेरी ग्रेट थिंग टू ऑब्वियसली हैव एन हैबिट ऑफ. आई रियली विश कि जल्दी हो जाए, मेरी भी और तुम्हारी. मेरी भी नहीं है, मैं भी नहीं पढ़ पाता हूँ.
और ऐसे तो ना मेरे को बहुत सारी चीज़ें आउट ऑफ ब्लू, इफ आई एम सिटिंग आई थिंक कि ये नहीं हो पा रहा है, ये मैं कैसे कर पाऊँ, देयर शुड बी 48 hours इन अ डे, तो सब
आई फील एग्जैक्टली
या कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें करनी है. आई एम नॉट, I'm good at adventure, but I'm not that good at sports. So I'm also recently I've started playing cricket, and doing that stuff. And one thing I can never do is I will do it. I'll learn that as well. I can't sing, so I'm like yeah. Baki painting I'm good. I have done exhibitions in the past. Everything. ये singing का थोड़ा
अभी सीख रहे हो?
नहीं, सीखना है.
ओके. वो लोग पीछे से इशारे कर रहे हैं, थोड़ा गवाओ, थोड़ा गवाओ. मैं नहीं,
वो नहीं हो सकता. कौन है भाई?
लो ऐसा वाला लुक का आया था ना, ऐसा करके लुक का आया था.
आप जा सकते हो.
नाइस. कुछ तो छोड़ दो बाकी लोगों के लिए, कुछ तो रखे, कुछ करने
यार
दो.
फिर वो खुद का सेटिस्फेक्शन होता है ना कि से आई ऑलवेज लीव एंड डू थिंग्स कि जब आप when you are on your deathbed, तब आपको ऐसा नहीं लगे कि यार
ये छूट गया,
वो नहीं रह जाना चाहिए. You have to.
How is Gujarati industry treating you?
Good. Now.
Now. What was before that?
No, they have been good, very honestly. It's not like कि but as I said, when you are new, अभी when you have started चालू किया है तब they don't know you ना, so it's I don't feel कि खराब किसी ने आज तक ट्रीट किया है. No, they actually Gujarati industry in that way is very good.
True.
They are supportive, friendly. It's still a small like industry, so it's like that. But मैं नहीं थी तब, तो I used to be like oh okay wow, starstruck and all of that कि अच्छा. That is their thing, but when you start working, when you keep working, people get close to you. Like,
but didn't you feel like because of the content that you used to make,
yeah,
it got a little bit easier for you to have a recognition, because there were people already looking at Achal. I mean, there were people back looking at Achal, and फिर पता चला कि Achal इस film में है. Obviously, I'm not saying you did justice to the character.
Yeah.
But having a gate through, do you feel like this is something?
Yeah, definitely.
It helps.
It helped me. See, I stopped making like reels. अगर आप अब मेरे प्रोफाइल पे जाओगे, you can't see after TikTok only. So after TikTok, so many I don't want to name it, but many.
You can name it. I mean, if you
like,
want to.
no, that's fine, but many platforms, TikTok जैसे जो platforms आए थे, they approached me, they were agreed to pay me crazy amount for me to just be on that platform, but
मेरे पास बहुत पैसा है, नहीं चाहिए मुझे पैसा.
नहीं, but I was very clear that my focus वो था, I had people, audience, and I always say I am because of the people and audience I have. That's it. And every artist, आपको audience ही भगवान होता है, वही आपको बनाते
Very
हैं.
true, very true.
So because of that I was there, but I was very clear कि मेरे को अब art पे the films, the work, I want to focus on that. I don't want to do it. Reels, I still remember having a call from my manager जब reels आई. So Instagram appoints a person who looks for your कि क्या करो, तो उससे आपका प्रोफाइल.
ऐसा होता है?
हाँ, तो she called and she convinced me, मतलब दर एक महीने आता था कि आंचल start making reels. I was like no, नहीं होगा, नहीं करनी है. आई एम नॉट. वो प्लेटफॉर्म्स के लिए तो ना बोल ही दिया था, बट दिस ऑल्सो. बट देन आई डिसाइडेड कि ओके नॉर्मल,
खुद के लिए तो कर ही सकते हैं मतलब.
या कि नॉर्मल. आई डोंट वांट टू बी typical
reel
but
maker
yeah but I try to make content which I like, very honestly. अब मैं जो भी रखती हूँ, it is because of what I like putting that's it. So I have not and also I feel I am not a person of numbers. मेरे को नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि फॉलोअर्स नहीं बढ़ रहे, रीच आ रही है.
Do you read your comments yourself?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You take care of your social media, खुद ही पढ़ते हो
Yeah.
कमेंट्स किसने क्या लिखा
Yeah,
है.
yeah.
हेट मिलता है क्या आजकल?
Very honestly, I am
Touch
lucky enough कि 99% it's love, it's just 1% और वो होता है, and I am fine with that.
What is the weirdest DM that you got? एकदम weird वाला बताओ, मस्त.
तो बहुत आते हैं. ये तो बहुत कॉमन है. विल यू मेरी मी, विच इज MERRY. कोई होता है जो ऐसे 100 बार आई लव यू लिख के भेजता है.
आशिक दिल टूटे.
एंड कोई सीधा ऐसे કે મારી મમ્મી ને તમે બહુ ગમી ગયા છો કે તમે આ જો લગન કરશો મને બહુ, मतलब आई एम लाइक ओके. सीधा मैरिज प्रपोजल. अरे फ्रेंड पे तो आ तू, फिर मैरिज प्रपोजल.
Is there any chance that someone who's actually, I mean, I'm not saying should do it, but someone unknown slide into your DM, would you in a world that reply to that person if you find that person, क्या यार ये मतलब ठीक है कर सकते हो इसको reply, ऐसा कुछ कर सकता है क्या कोई? You would not reply no matter कौन हो तुम.
लोग ना बंद कर देंगे DM करना.
नहीं, इसे मैं पूछ रहा हूँ, मतलब जनरली सा है तो सवाल है कि क्या कोई अगर चाहता है कि जिसे आंचल से बात करनी हो,
if someone's interesting, yeah definitely, but नहीं यार,
नहीं करती
honestly,
रिप्लाई.
yeah.
हाँ, हमारा भी कहा किया था, हमें बुलवाना पड़ा था.
नहीं ऐसा
यार
नहीं,
ये तुम लोग पर्दाफाश करा रहे हो, मेरे ना जोक्स निकलते हैं भाई.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है कि आई गो थ्रू माई DMs, ऐसा नहीं है. बट आई एम नॉट अ फोन पर्सन. अभी ये सब ना शॉकिंग लगेगा लोगों को, बट आई एम नॉट एट ऑल अ फोन पर्सन. आई डोंट सी माई व्हाट्सएप मैसेजेस, आई डोंट सी माई DMs रेगुलरली कि अच्छा किसका है. नहीं, माई नोटिफिकेशंस फॉर ऑल द एप्स आर ऑफ, वेरी ऑनेस्टली, क्योंकि आई डोंट थिंक दैट इज, मतलब ठीक है एक पॉइंट तक, बट दैट इज प्रोडक्टिव फॉर यू बीइंग देयर all the time. तो when of course you have to post and all of that is ठीक, but मेरे को नहीं इतनी आदत, because I feel to connect in real, to मेरे को काम हो तो call me, like for work and everything I always tell कि please call me and we'll have conversation
True
there. या मिलके, even when I'm on my set, I'm not the one who uses phone. I try to connect, I try to learn, I try to sit and watch मेरा scene नहीं है तो भी दूसरों का scene. So yeah, that is thing. And यार आई एम अ वेरी ओल्ड स्कूल पर्सन, दैट इज व्हाई ये DM वाली चीज है.
चिट्ठी लिखे कोई चलेगा?
हाँ यार, कोई
दैट इज स्वीट, दैट कुड बी स्वीट.
या
आई मीन किसी ने चिट्ठी लिखी तो पढ़ोगी.
हाँ, दैट इज वेरी स्वीट. एंड
और द डेटिंग लाइफ आई कुछ तो होगा, मतलब अच्छा चलो ठीक है, ये बता दो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गाय यू लाइक.
लेटर्स एंड आल्सो सो स्वीट ना. सी आई एम अ पर्सन, मेरे को ना कोई इमोशनली available person चाहिए in my life. As a partner I seek that, because everything else, like be it working or अब के टाइम में, अब की जनरेशन में लोग बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें देखते हैं. they be practical. I'm not a practical person. When I'm in love I'm very emotional, so I need someone जो who can understand me. And जो मेरे खराब टाइम पे मेरे साथ हो, बाकी एवरीथिंग आई कैन फिगर इट आउट, like be it earning or be it doing stuff, and I am that person who pampers the guy a lot. Like I love doing that. बाकी सब कर सकते, बट दिस वन थिंग कि इमोशनली समझे, बिकॉज आई एम अ वेरी सेंसिटिव पर्सन, एंड ड्यूरिंग द बैड टाइम्स आई फील कि वो इंसान आपके साथ होना चाहिए. अगर वो आपके खराब समय या खराब टाइम पे ही आपके साथ ना हो तो वो पार्टनर का क्या ही मतलब. सो आई जेन्युइनली विश दैट कि ऐसा कोई मिले जो संभाल सके. एंड yeah,
very nice. Oh, I could see that nervousness coming in this answer. But yeah, that is very sweet of you. I mean, to think in that area, that is quite a good thing to be. do you feel work life balance and relationship? अभी तो मतलब बोल रहे हो आप, तो मान लेता हूँ मैं कि नहीं है कोई relationship वगैरह या love life वगैरह. But do you think that having a partner, I mean dating someone or getting married to someone, especially in our field,
yeah,
does it make any change, any difference?
सी आई डोंट थिंक कि आपकी लव लाइफ की वजह से कभी भी आपका करियर बिगड़ सकता है, बिकॉज यू कैन ऑलवेज वर्क इट आउट. देर इज नो नथिंग कि यू कैन हैव द मैनेजमेंट एंड यू कैन, दोनों चीज़ें पैरेलली चल सकती है. इट्स नॉट लाइक इफ़ यू आर डेटिंग समबडी यू कांट फोकस ऑन योर करियर. वो बहुत पुरानी बातें हो गई, एंड इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. यू कैन ऑलवेज हैव फोकस ऑन बोथ, एंड आई फील पर्सनल लाइफ बैलेंस एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ बैलेंस होना ही चाहिए. देन एंड देन ओनली यू कैन लिव अ पीसफुल लाइफ. मैरिज अभी तक सोचा नहीं है, बट ऑफकोर्स थिंग्स चेंज. And I feel as a person you should always evolve and adapt. तो अगर वो टाइम भी जब आएगा तो आई एम श्योर दैट आई विल अडेप्ट द चेंजेस एंड आई विल ट्राई टू बैलेंस इट बोथ. बिकॉज ऐसा नहीं है कि ये चीज़ इससे बढ़कर है. फॉर मी बोथ आर वेरी इक्वल. बट येस, आई हैव ऑलवेज गिवन एंड आई एम दैट पर्सन हु गिव्स इम्पोर्टेंस टू पर्सनल लाइफ थोड़ा ज़्यादा देन प्रोफेशनल. ऐसा नहीं है कि ओके दिस प्रोफेशन ये नहीं, करियर ऑफ कोर्स है, बट आई फील कि अगर ये स्ट्रांग होगा ना, योर पर्सनल लाइफ, बी इट योर फैमिली, बी इट योर पार्टनर, बी इट एनीबॉडी, तो आप इस पे बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काम कर सकते हो.
Do you need your partner to be from the same industry that you are in, or
no
something of that sort?
No, I'm not that person ki industry se ya from the same field. No, I don't think that. I just
लड़का होना चाहिए.
of course, but I guess you should have intellectual connection with that person.
Very nice.
कि ऐसा नहीं हो कि आप एक नॉर्थ एक साउथ है, ऐसा नहीं. बट या आई डोंट थिंक सो दैट्स इम्पोर्टेंट to be from the same field.
How are your relation with your parents?
Superb. I think they are the reason I keep going. They are the core reason कि जिसकी वजह से मैं इतना स्मूथली काम कर सकती हूँ. They are the ones. I always say this quote or say this thing whenever I am having a downfall or whenever I feel unworthy or वो breakdowns आते हैं. I just remember whose daughter I am and I straighten my crown. That's what I do.
That's something super sweet you said.
Yeah.
Something super sweet you said. What are your taste of watching films? किस तरीके की films देखते हैं आप?
I like not dark exactly, but something out of the box. And
Name some if you can.
I loved Blonde.
Okay.
Which was I guess it released 2022 I guess, जिसमें Marilyn Monroe's kind of a biopic and Anna de Armas was performing.
Anna de Armas, yeah, correct.
Performance दिया है यार. I
like. You watch Hollywood cinema?
Yeah, I do. I try to, so that's how I work. कि मेरे को जब भी time मिले I watch such films from which I can learn. I also loved recently this Lapata Ladies.
That was very beautiful.
Some actual cinema, there's something different. I watch all the genres, but see the comedy and stuff, it's just for fun and entertainment.
Yes.
But when you want to learn something, आपको कुछ सीखना है, आपको कुछ actual cinema देखना है, तो I watch all such kind of films like yeah, so I have that taste. I love Tapsi Pannu's
हाँ
film.
super sweet.
I really love her, love the way she acts, love the way वो पूरी फिल्म अपने से चलाती
True,
है.
I
She
agree.
doesn't need anybody.
I
So
agree.
I love watching such films, and I actually am very keen कि मैं ऐसी ऐसी films करूँ. Something out of the box जिसमें मेरे को बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़े. Not like okay, you gave thoda hard work and you are able to do it. Of course I respect that films as well, but I want to do जिसमें मेहनत हो. मेरे को ऐसा बोल दे कि 6-8 महीने you just have to do workshop,
क्या बात है?
you have to train, you have to do this. तो ऐसा मेरे को करना है. I have this भूख बोल सकते हो कि ऐसी फिल्म्स करनी है आउट ऑफ द बॉक्स. गुजराती इंडस्ट्री इज डेफिनेटली ग्रोइंग, सो आई फील कि इन few years there would be such roles.
Yeah, we are trying something really really good. There are a couple of films जो मुझे गुजराती सिनेमा में जैसे कसुम्बो, one of the
Yes.
films, they give justice obviously.
Yes.
They did a very different thing.
Yes.
Samundar was one of those.
Yes, definitely.
Level they're trying to do that is quite great, and
Yeah.
we are grateful because we are in this industry. I would say you would be a second generation.
Yeah, definitely.
Invert,
Yes,
or हम लोग are something which are, we are not pioneers, but obviously we are third generation जहाँ at least पहचान वगैरह है, काम वगैरह चल रहे हैं.
Right.
So yeah, from beginning, because I remember there were urban films that are making. पहले rural films बनती थी गुजराती
Right.
काफी, but then urban films बनने लगी, and the growth, अब जो पैसा लग रहा है production में, that is quite great. I
Right.
mean, we are evolving. That is the reason we look forward for having a great cinema.
Right.
Gujarati cinema. Speaking of which, who's the best director right now as per you? Gujarati cinema में obviously.
I feel I loved Vishal Vadawala for his films, for the cinema he makes. Of course, there are other directors also जो बहुत सही काम कर रहे हैं. But this one director, I look forward to his films. He, for the films he made, very different from the others.
Correct, true.
And very new. So yeah, I like his work. बाकी तो बहुत सारे हैं. I have a list of the directors I want to work with. But yeah, I like his films. Yes.
Do you want to be here only, or Mumbai is something that you wish to go?
Of course, I am planning to go Mumbai in future, and actually I have मतलब मेरे को offer हुई है serials from big channels as a lead, as a second lead. But उस time पे very honestly, it's if I talk about this last December, November December only, I got offered a big serial, big channel as a second lead serial. But I'm still not ready. I was not ready mentally.
मुंबई जाने के लिए?
हाँ, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे I was not in that phase. कि because I feel यहाँ पे तो you have friends, you have your family. कि काम खत्म करके आप, if you are not mentally stable or mentally healthy, you have that people to lift you up.
Correct.
वहाँ पे तो सब आपको खुद करना है. And I feel after a certain point you can make friends, but you can't make real friends. और I feel वो age चली गई है कि अब, because I consider my true friends, my real friends are those जो मेरे साथ तब थे जब मैं कुछ नहीं थी.
Very nice.
So of course that was also a question कि वहाँ जाके there would be no one. I'm not okay right now तो मैं shift करूँ या ना करूँ. I was very in dilemma. उसके बाद I have been offered serials, but I feel कि I still have time to work in films, because उसमें for art also I want to do different things as an artist. I want to try different things. So I feel कि वो time भी आएगा जब मैं serials करूँगी शायद, but just I'm not ready right now. So I want to work differently. So I'm thinking to shift soon.
What sort of directors that you like in Bollywood?
इम्तियाज अली.
क्या बात है.
यार.
What's your favorite film?
Rockstar.
Wow. That's amazing.
Rockstar. And I also मतलब Sanjay Leela Bhansali, Anurag Kashyap, all of them are definite. But the depth, even Tamasha.
My
so
God, I was saying,
beautiful.
please say this name. Yeah.
So beautiful. The way he, मतलब ना आपको उनकी films not normal people can't understand it. उनको
Very true.
लगेगा कि, and very honestly with Tamasha I'll tell you, I saw it when I was like 15 years old, वो जब रिलीज हुई थी, एंड तब मैं देखने गई, तब मेरे को इतना समझ नहीं आया कि क्या है, क्या ठीक है, अच्छा गुड फिल्म. But then I saw it 2-3 years back and I was like, shit,
True.
this is cinema, the way he's telling कि,
Very
and
good.
that scene कि तू अपनी कहानी मुझसे पूछ रहा है का,
Piyush
shit,
Mishra,
that
I swear.
scene, oh
There was
my God.
goosebumps. I watched.
So he has a different way, and his every film has something to, you know, you can take back home.
This is the shot in this film जिसमें Ranbir Kapoor is on a bar table उधर, that in the song, and Deepika Padukone is facing towards
Yeah.
him. The lighting that is being played, the
Yeah.
cinematic shot that has been taken, वो red color के कपड़े,
Yes. And
amazing level का
Ranbir
cinema.
Kapoor is fantastic actor.
He is, yeah, 100%.
His eyes speak,
Yeah.
and the way he does his role with conviction. Oh my God! Even Rockstar ke, I can go on and on about this, but Rockstar ke songs, if you take that part कि कगर कगर मोए,
That's
उसका मीनिंग कितना सुंदर है कि
आंखें मत निकालना,
हाँ,
मेरा वो that
कि
is so
मेरे
great.
को तू मेरा पूरा शरीर खा जा पर मेरी आंखें रहने देना, क्योंकि मेरे को मेरे पिया की अभी
देखनी है,
हाँ.
हाँ.
Oh my God, beautiful.
That is Imtiaz Ali.
Yes.
That is Imtiaz Ali. You look cinema because they have given Indian cinema a pride to take on.
Definitely.
I am not against of commercial cinema. I am not against
Yes,
of it.
yes,
वो भी जरूरी है.
definitely. Of course it
But
is.
real art is this
Definitely.
where you use your emotions.
Yes.
You use your acting in a way. You use your cinema, drama. So yeah, even I could relate that area of yours. One, I would say, a Gujarati actor you really badly want to work with. ऐसा तो कोई नहीं है.
I don't know. It's not like of course ऐसा नहीं है कि अच्छा करना ही है, because I feel it's a journey. होगा तो we'll work together, but of course I look forward working with Yash, Sony, Ronak Kandar. They are brilliant actors, and there are many other brilliant actors I want to work with. But yeah, so there is that. But I don't, you know, I focus on my. I am a person. I am an actor who focuses on her character. कि मेरा character क्या है, ये वो. I'm not like कि I don't know, but I'm not that कि अच्छा ये actor के साथ करना है तो कोई भी role होगा करना ही. I want to do good work, but of course with them if I share the screen, because they are brilliant actors, the way they are working. So definitely I would love to work with every actors, because I feel every actors have the different essence, different X factor. So yeah, I would.
What was your experience working with Chetan Daya? I adore him. I mean, that for me he stands a very
Yeah.
precious position in my life in drama.
Chetan bhai, if I talk, he has a different space in my heart. Like, so I did a film. I guess it was my second or third film, Adko Dadko, and I did that film at that time, very honestly, क्योंकि उस टाइम पे मेरी एक फिल्म जो मैंने शूट की थी हल्की फुल्की was not yet released, and I was like एक साल कुछ नहीं था, एक साल तो what will I do? Okay, then I was offered that film and I was like okay चलो कर लेते हैं, अभी कुछ है नहीं, and all of that. And there I met Chetan Daya, and the cast of Adko Dadko had very great cast. Smita Jaikar ma'am was there, Chetan Daya, Ragi Jani, Jitendra Thakkar, and a lot of them every actor had बहुत बड़ी cast थी and all of it. So I when I was told that it is that cast, I was like okay, I want to work with them because I learned something. And then I worked with him in Maunam as well.
Yeah, he is there.
And now I have a different family kind of relations with Chetan bhai.
After NTR.
Yes, even during NTR. So I was US last year. तो मेरे को पहले the producer का phone आया कि ऐसे we are planning a film and it is this, Chetan bhai has written it. I was still dicey. कि करना है नहीं करना है. Then he said कि okay, Chetan bhai will call you to narrate because he is the writer. तो ही कॉल्ड मी, यहाँ लेट नाइट, तो वहाँ सुबह होती है, यहाँ की लेट नाइट ही वॉज अवेक जस्ट टू गिव मी નરેશન. એન્ડ આઈ આસ્ક્ડ હિમ કે ચેતનભાઈ તમને લાગે છે કે આમાં મને પરફોર્મ કરવા માટે સ્પેસ છે, વિલ ડુ યુ થિંક કે મારી પાસે જગ્યા છે કે હું પરફોર્મ કરી શકીશ એઝ અ એક્ટર આતે, ઇટ્સ નોટ જસ્ટ યુ નો અનધર ફિલ્મ, એવું નથી ને. હી વોઝ લાઈક આચલ આ જ્યારે હું લખતો હતો ને ત્યારે મને તું મગજમાં હતી, એન્ડ આઈ હેવ રિટર્ન ઇટ દેટ વે. બહુ જ સરસ ફિલ્મ છે, મેં લખી છે, તું જોઈ લે. And when a writer says I have thought about you while I was writing, okay, this character is Aanchal. So that was a huge thing, and I was like, okay, I trusted him, and I did the film, and it turned out pretty well. So yeah, Chetan bhai, and you know his wife, Shabana Bhabhi, she's also very close to me. His kids are very close to me. I take them out, and they are very sweet. All the whole family is very sweet. और चेतन भाई ने मेरे को बोला था कि यू नो देयर आर ओनली 1-2 पीपल आई एम लाइक दिस इन द इंडस्ट्री, एक्ट्रेसेस. और वो ना मेरे को ऐसे इतनी मस्ती करते हैं कि ही इज लाइक, ही सेज क्या आवे चल ले लेटाड़ी चल ले, आई यू नो दैट इज हाउ ही. तो आई हैव डेफिनेटली, एंड आई लर्न अ लॉट.
He is a great person.
I learn a lot. I keep asking him things. क्या बराबर लागे? So I always see a film. Of course, it's a movie. It's a work. But I always see the film I am doing as a learning experience as well, because you learn a lot of things while you're on set.
True that.
Yeah.
True that. What are the upcoming projects that we are expecting you?
Yeah. So. ये साल 3 फिल्म्स रिलीज हो गई. नाउ देयर आर 2 which are coming more. एक it's unnamed yet, and it's not announced yet, so I won't speak about it. But the second film is Pappanu Insurance. So we actually completed the whole shoot, everything yesterday only.
Very nice.
Yeah, so it's me, Parikshit, Tiku sir, Maulika, plus a lot of people. So
very nice.
Yeah.
So Pappanu Insurance is what we are looking forward to.
Yeah.
What do you see while you read on the script? What are the key pointers that you keep in mind?
फर्स्टली एक्चुअली ना जब आप एक्टर होते हो ना, तब जब नरेशन मिलता है यू कैन गेट इट कि अच्छा ये चलेगी नहीं चलेगी. सी ऑफ कोर्स इट्स देन ऑन द ऑडियंस, बट एज एन एक्टर यू आप अगर बोर नहीं हो रहे हो वो 1.5-2 घंटे में, क्योंकि नरेशन में, क्योंकि काफ़ी नरेशन ऐसे भी होते हैं कि आई एम लिटरली ऐसे नींद आ रही है कि अच्छा, तो आपको अगर नींद नहीं आए और नींद में हो तब भी आप ऐसे हो जाओ कि ओह वाओ, देन दैट्स द फिल्म. एंड ऑफ कोर्स मैं देखती हूँ कि डू आई हैव शेड्स टू परफॉर्म, डू आई हैव स्पेस टू परफॉर्म. इट्स ऐसा नहीं है ना कि इट्स जस्ट अनदर फिल्म जिसमें एक्ट्रेस इज जस्ट देयर टू शो. सो आई लव टू, स्टिल आई फील कि देर आर projects yet to come, such projects are yet to come, but hopefully it will come. But yeah, that this is things ki is it entertaining, and what motive, वो motive क्या है फिल्म का. if it is entertainment तो वो entertainment पहुंचा रही है, if it is message तो message convey कर रही है the film during narration. तो that are the points, क्योंकि every film has a different purpose to share,
to serve.
Yeah. So that's the thing I look.
I saw one of the picture there on your Instagram when I was scrolling your Instagram. You met Zakir Khan.
Yeah.
How was that experience?
Very honestly, I've met a lot of big celebrities. I never post pictures, very honestly. I've met a lot of them. I just want to name them.
You're so PR trained. You're not taking any names, but it's okay.
नहीं ऐसा नहीं, but I feel I have met them, and I'm a person, मैं ऐसी हूँ कि मेरे को यू नो ऐसा नहीं हो जाता है कि कोई सेलिब बिग फेस आपको मिला एंड यू गो गागा ओवर कि ओ माय गॉड यार जब तो लोग क्या, आई एम नॉट दैट. आई फील कि आई हैव दैट थिंग इन मी कि मैं जब भी काम करूँगी तब भी आई मीट दैट पर्सन एंड तब मैं फोटो खिंचवाऊंगी, उससे पहले नहीं. आई हैव दैट थिंग इन मी. विद जाकिर खान ऑफ कोर्स इट वाज लाइक दैट कि I don't know, he is into stand-up and everything, कब कहाँ, but he is the most, I'm not kidding, he's the most humble celebrity I've met. He was so sweet. It was after one event, उनका stand-up था, and then there was this post पार्टी डिनर काइंड ऑफ थिंग एंड 20-25 लोग काफ़ी इंडस्ट्री के भी लोग थे एंड ही पर्सनली ही नॉट द पीपल ही पर्सनली वेंट टू एवरीवन मेट देम ऐसा नहीं कि हाय जाके नहीं पर्सनली ही टॉक्ड विथ एवरीवन कि यू नो ऐसे 10-10 मिनट ही हैज टॉक्ड विथ एवरीबॉडी एंड सो हम्बल द वे आपको लगे ही नहीं कि अच्छा ही जाकिर खान you know and I felt that is what the true value of being an artist is कि
Very true.
humbleness will take you आगे will that's how an artist should be कि अगर आपको दिमाग में and I'm telling this generally कि अगर आपको दिमाग में आ गया ना कि I am something और I am this and तब आप खत्म हो you have to have that in you कि and very honestly you should take this as a work
True, yeah, I mean, yes.
you आपको फेम मिल रही है that is a plus point
That's cherry on
a
the cake.
bonus point
Hmm.
but you don't have to be like okay I am something it's just your work like every person does the work that's how you should be and yeah so
It was sweet meeting Zakir Khan.
yeah
You had been to couple of abroad trips as well. What was the best trip you went to?
Recently if I talk about the best trip it was बहुत सारी trips है जो you know 4-5 काफ़ी trips की है पर 4-5 trips all over ऐसी है which I'll remember for lifetime but the last trip which I went in June which was to Canada US Canada गई थी but mostly I was in Canada at my brother's place and वो जो time था it was just family time nothing I was in no contact of friends nothing it was just a proper 1 month family time
Very nice.
and I loved it I wish and I really wish कि ऐसा होता कि you know we would be staying in one country but of course that's not possible but that like me sorry
That's fine.
me my mom dad my brother my babi and the way we you know we were all together 24/7 going out and all
You're
of
super
that.
close to your brother, na?
Yeah.
Super duper close to your
Super
brother.
close. He's like he's like a father figure to me very honestly and पूरी दुनिया में एक ही इंसान है जिससे मैं डरती हूँ
And that is your brother.
and it's not कि डर वाला डर कि नॉट दैट आउट ऑफ रिस्पेक्ट वाला जो डर होता है ना कि यहाँ पे भी अगर आई एम आउट और देर होगी या कुछ भी हो तो आई मम्मी का फोन है हाँ 5 मिनट बट द मोमेंट शी सेज कि अच्छा हूँ भी रहूँ भाई ने फोन करूँ एंड द नेक्स्ट 5 minutes आई एम होम बिकॉज आई हैव दैट रिस्पेक्ट कि भाई एम but we are so close I share everything with him like personal stuff it is like that so you know he is an older brother I have we have grown together he has been that protective तो वो अलग bond होता है and I cherish that कि there is no one and nothing no relation can beat a brother sister relation I feel
True.
that.
True. Even I have a younger sister so I can sense
Yes.
that part what
Yeah.
you're saying. भाई के साथ अच्छा रिलेशन एकदम मस्त कल राखी है फिर मिलने वाले हो
नहीं
सैड He's not here?
No, he stays in Canada. My brother, my bhai and Bhabhi stays in Canada.
I just एक चीज मेरे को दिमाग में आई how was that Disneyland trip? Look at your smile.
Oh my god. So actually 2009 8-9 my we whole family went to US वो ऐसे घूमने के लिए तब I went to Disneyland but of course now it's a vague memory कि इतना याद भी नहीं था so जब I went on a 2-month vacation last year कि काम वाम सब अभी छोड़ो I need a break I just need a break no work nothing my phone was off everything just मेरे को I want to have a good vacation time तो तब भी आई डिसाइडेड 3 things which I'll do मतलब यहाँ से कि यूनिवर्सल जाना है डिज्नी जाना है एंड स्काई डाइविंग करना है बाकी सब ठीक है करेंगे घूमेंगे व्हाटएवर बट दिस 3 things एंड डिज्नीलैंड आई वेंट सोलो
Oh wow.
सो छोटा बच्चा जाता है ना कि बैग में सब मैंने नाश्ता भरा पानी की बोतल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट लाइक माय पावर बैंक एंड इट वाज रेनिंग सो रेनकोट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड आई लिटरली यहाँ से मैंने 3 आउटफिट्स शॉप किए थे जस्ट टू वेयर इन डिज्नीलैंड की कौन सा पहनूंगी वो नहीं पता है
लेकिन 3 में से एक होगा ये।
हाँ that crazy because I have seen like I've grown up watching Disney. I know it feels childish but yeah I have grown watching them and I went there and it was a different experience. और सोलो जहाँ पे एक्चुअली पूरी फैमिलीज इट्स अ फैमिली प्लेस या तो कपल प्लेस या तो फ्रेंड्स ग्रुप. सोलो सच में मैं पूरे डिज्नी में एक ही थी. मैं सब राइड्स में अकेले बैठी हूँ, बाजू में कोई होता ही बिकॉज देयर वर
ग्रुप्स अराउंड.
या बट आई लव्ड इट एंड इट वाज रेनिंग जब फायरवर्क्स हो रहा है तो अच्छा डिज्नीलैंड ऑल्सो इज मेमोरेबल फॉर अ डिफरेंट रीजन बिकॉज पूरा दिन घूमी, पूरा सब कुछ किया. आई वाज लाइक सो हैप्पी कि आई डिड इट सोलो एंड एवरीथिंग. अच्छा जब वो फायरवर्क्स हो रहे थे मैं सबसे आगे खड़ी थी एंड आई वाज टेकिंग वीडियोस और बारिश हो रही थी एंड पता नहीं क्या हुआ. देन आई वेंट बैक टू माय रूम एंड आई सॉ माय फोन वाज स्विचिंग ऑफ स्विचिंग ऑन अगेन एवरी 5 मिनट्स. लेंस में पानी भर गया था और इतनी बारिश भी नहीं थी. इट वाज ड्रिजलिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग. और then next day से phone बंद. It started flickering my phone and I went to different Apple stores and they were like water damage. And I didn't got my backup. So मेरा 6 महीने का पूरा data गया है. Then I have to buy a new phone like returning. So yeah, my data went away. So it is.
That was the reason you were crying.
No, not at all.
Okay.
No.
What's your favorite Disney character?
Mickey, of course. Of course, Mickey. There is no doubt about it. But I love all the characters like the princesses and Donald Duck and all of that. Yeah.
Yeah, you Looney Tunes fans as well.
A bit, not yeah, but I like that. Yeah.
Even Marvels or DC?
Marvel. Anytime Marvel.
Yeah. What's your favorite Marvel character?
Iron Man.
We must be okay. What Iron Man? Yeah, we have it here.
I'll take it.
Done. That's for you for sure. No doubts. What do you feel? I mean, in terms of life, how important friendship is?
A lot. I feel true friendships are rare अभी. तो अगर आपके पास 2-3 भी ऐसा है ना, मैं तो बोलूँ एक भी ऐसा फ्रेंड है ना जो आपका ट्रू है. एंड यू नो हाउ कलयुग चल रहा है तो सच्चे दोस्त मिलना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. एंड आई हैव हैड माई एक्सपीरियंसेस इन पास्ट सो आई डोंट ट्रस्ट पीपल इजीली. सो आई हैव दैट ट्रस्ट इश्यूज यू कैन से कि ऐसा होता है ना कि आई हैव बीन. एंड द वन थिंग आई ऑलवेज फील कि आई एम सो इनोसेंट कि मेरे को सब अच्छे ही लगते हैं कि यू नो दे आर माई फ्रेंड, दे आर माई. बट आई हैव लर्नड विथ टाइम not everyone is your true friend and I am lucky कि actually I have few friends who are actually my true friends and I have learned with time बहुत टाइम के बाद कि भाई ये लोग मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं. of course I have friends तो होंगे बहुत सारे की इंडस्ट्री में in normal life but I have that 3-4 people in my life. I know कि मैं 2 बजे 3 बजे कभी भी फोन करूंगी they will be there.
Are they from cinema or no?
No one.
तीनों चारों are not from cinema.
No one.
Nice.
I feel you should as I said कि मेरे दोस्त वो है जो मेरे साथ तब थे जब मैं कुछ नहीं थी और तब से वही लोग हैं and they keep me who I am. They don't care कि you know मैं कौन हूँ. they are with me because of who I am, not because of what I am.
Very nice.
And I love that and they treat me जैसे आप I have seen the bond of you people.
Thank you.
कि how you are brutal roasting. That's how they are. वो लोग मैं कुछ भी करूँ मतलब मेरे प्रीमियर पे भी वो लोग आए हैं पहले भी एंड दे आर लाइक सिटिंग एंड लाफिंग. मेरा जब पहला प्रीमियर हुआ था तब आई वाज सो एक्साइटेड. देयर वाज दिस सीन जिसमें आई एम क्राइंग एंड वो डार्क सीन था एंड दे वर लाफिंग लाइक. और मेरे को मेरे प्रीमियर पे बोलना पड़ा था कि मारिस तुम लोग बंद થઈ જાઓ ને અહીંયા નીકળીશ ને એવી મારી શટ અપ. સો दैट्स हाउ they are. they may like they let me be myself and of course at times I have two very close groups. One is my three bro friends, brothers, friends, whatever you tell. So वो चार, and the other group is my 4 girlfriends, 4
Female friends,
हाँ,
girl gang.
girl gang. So everyone is like a tomboy, no one is girly. That's why I connect with them and they appreciate me like anything. मेरे को लगता है आधे बार कि अब बस ये ज्यादा हो रहा है, you know, because girls may be to get such friendships where they
Super.
actually lift you up. They
Super.
are not 0.1 jealous. They और मैं तो ऐसे normally behave करती हूँ. They are the ones who make me remember कि आंचल तन खबर तू कौन छे. And I'm like nah, and they make me remember कि Baba, you have done this things, you are doing, why are you low? And I have been through such times कि जब you know low phase आता है, when you don't even want to get out of bed, they were the ones who were actually there and who fucking cared, like
Cherished you around.
yeah. So
You just spoke of the bad phase, dark phase.
yeah.
Say, okay, as we can see you, podcast हो, Instagram हो आपका, आपकी films हो, आपके music videos हो, आपका fashion shoot हो, everywhere actually smiling. And that is the best thing that you carry with yourself.
Yeah.
How do you really treat where you're solo? And solo as in akele bhi, and so low as in very low in terms of your emotions, in terms of your situation. What is that Achal that no one knows? How do you take care of her?
Firstly, I am known by, as you said, कि मैं ऐसे जानी जाती हूँ कि who is always smiling, who is always happy.
True.
Even on sets, people are like, क्या छोकरी क्या है, हंसती न हंसती हो, एकदम energetic and all of that. But you know, there is this saying or there is this thing कि જે લોકો સૌથી વધારે હસે ને એ લોકો સૌથી વધારે રડતા પણ હોય. And I was skeptical पहले कि I won't talk about, you know, me being sensitive or me crying, but I cry easily and I notice small things when you are an overthinker. और ये ना बहुत I feel अभी सब में ये problem हो गए. They overthink a lot and I overthink a lot of things which are not even necessary and which I learned with time कि નથી એટલું important કે આટલું બધું વિચારો છો. And you know, so I have been through toughest times. Like 2023, if I say, was a very, very huge learning experience. And I had a serious anxiety issues. Like I used to started shivering and मेरे को sleeping paralysis का बहुत बड़ा issue है.
Okay.
So if you don't know what that is, please Google it. It's a very, very, you know, how to say, but I had anxiety issues, sleeping paralysis. जब मैं फिर after taking time, I decided that I need to see a doctor. कि this is not normal. क्योंकि पहले तो मेरे को पता भी नहीं चलता था. एकदम से chest pain होने लगता था. And I used to think it's just another thing. Okay, I didn't understand what that was. And then I came to know when it started happening regularly. I was like, I need to see a doctor. I went to see a doctor. He checked my pulse rate at that time and it was 130 normal में जब मैं and it is between 75 to 90. Yeah. So it is that is normal, but 130. So doctor was also like, right now you're
What was your age tab?
Last year I was 22.
22,
21, 22. This is a growing phase and so yeah, that has happened with me and I didn't know how to. मेरे भी दिन ऐसे होते हैं यार. मैं भी नॉर्मल इंसान ही हूँ कि आप कमरे में पड़े रहो पूरे दिन and you don't wish to get up out of your bed and all of that happens. But two things that has kept me going was always one, my family. My mom is my backbone. I'm not kidding. She's the only one and दुनिया इतनी मतलब ही हो चुकी है ना, वेरी ऑनेस्टली, कि आपकी फैमिली के अलावा और रादर आई वुड से आपकी मॉम के अलावा किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि आप रो रहे हो. Nobody cares.
Okay.
I don't know. I feel
Okay,
that
okay, yeah.
they'll be with you. Of course, your friends and your other everybody will be there with you. Okay? But वो कितना time?
हम्म
1 घंटा मिलना है, थोड़ी देर मिलना है, they would be, और किसी को very honestly जब आप ऐसे फेज में हो तो पता भी नहीं लगता है.
True,
You
yeah,
try
that's
to
true.
show, you don't try tell anybody, and I am also that person who doesn't show. But एक माँ ऐसी होती है ना जिसको पता लग जाता है
हम्म
कि आप नहीं भी बता रहे हो. एंड my mom has this thing कि मैं अगर from my when I wake up and when I see her, I'm smiling only. I hug her and she like શું થયું? I'm like કઈ નહીં. ના ના કંઈક થયું છે બોલ ને રડી તું શું થયું? I'm like no mama, but she even if I'm smiling, she's the one who sees the real thing behind that smile, I feel. And family and other one, I have found faith in God, like the power in God. पहले मैं I used to pray and I used to visit mandirs, but this I guess 2-3 years Krishna has changed my life.
क्या बात है?
And I feel power in him, and I feel कि he's the one who is writing my story. So why do I need to worry? यार?
Very well said.
कि वो, and right now also if I'm in any situation, I am right now I'm very strong, very honestly I'm very positive that changes has been made, but and I'm happy कि वो phase मेरी जिंदगी में आया तो I can see like life in a different way now. And I have put a pen in his hands, so I don't need to worry about anything. वो जो करेंगे सही ही कर रहे हैं.
That's sweet.
So even the bad phases, even the downfalls, he's giving that to make me strong, I feel. So yeah, and I whenever such situations come, I only even on sets when something I'm कुछ हो रहा है, I use his mantra, I speak his mantra in my mind, and I am calm. I don't know, I have
So super sweet. There's one thing that just came to my mind कि अगर दौलत शौहरत तूने ही दी है तो चोर बनकर लेकर भी तो तू ही गया, तो ठीक है, मतलब
हाँ.
let's be with it.
Yeah.
Let's have faith around it. It's a sweet thing. We'll play a quick small rapid fire round and then we might wrap up. I would wish to keep it going, but obviously commitments for yours. We'll play a quick rapid fire. अब मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ मुझे भी नहीं पता. I'll be very honest. I'll be very honest. मैं क्या पूछ रहा हूँ. So you two make it little quick. ठीक है?
Okay.
Favorite food?
Pani puri.
Favorite place to go? Destination to visit, I mean.
Paris is on my bucket list.
Have you never been
No,
to Paris?
not Paris.
That's you want to go.
Yeah.
One sport that is you still want to do, one adventure you still want to do.
Bungee jumping.
Bungee jumping. Favorite person in family?
Mom.
Apart of mom.
Bhai and bhai, of course. But bhai.
Bhai is on the
Yeah,
top
yeah,
priority.
yeah.
ठीक है. Two best friends. One from cinema, one from not cinema.
One from best friend, तो I don't feel like bestie तो ऐसा नहीं, but I am really good friends with Parikshit, and other than that, of course, Kairavi.
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 Okay. What she done?
I met the girl gang I just
Oh,
told.
okay.
So yeah, she's now in Canada. So
Long distance friendship.
Long distance just turned into long, but yeah, she's my one.
Mountains or beaches?
Beaches.
Cooking and not cooking.
Not cooking.
Not cooking. ठीक है. Are you a rose person or a chocolate person?
Rose.
Rose person. ठीक है. Songs or podcasts?
Songs.
Favorite song?
फिर से उठ चला.
Very nice song. Favorite singer?
Arijit.
Director तो तुमने बता दिया. One thing that you really want to do before you turn say 30.
सब कर ही रहे हूँ.
फिर भी something that क्या करना है?
I want to go on a solo
Again, solo.
solo trip to like trekking, proper trekking, and the one wish I have right now even is to go Vrindavan. 15 whatever time. I just want to switch off my phone and just be there and enjoy that time, do bhakti. So Vrindavan is, which probably I'm thinking I'll do this year only. But yeah, Vrindavan.
Films or music videos?
Films.
Films or writing, reading novel?
Again films, but yeah, I write, so I love writing.
Yeah, we were research a lot about your writing. Something that you wrote that is so close to your heart.
So I've started write. I write बहुत टाइम पहले से, but अभी I write शायरीज and
You can open your phone if something नहीं आ रहा, but I would love to listen something coming from you.
अभी ढूंढना काफी लिखा है. ભીખ માંગીને ક્યારે કોઈનું ઘર નથી ભરાતું. ભીખ માંગીને ક્યારે કોઈનું ઘર નથી ભરાતું, તો એમ કેમ માની લીધું કે પ્રેમની ભીખ માંગવાથી દિલ ભરાઈ જશે.
क्या बात है, वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस.
The other one is પ્રેમ તો તે પણ કર્યો અને મેં પણ. પ્રેમ તો તે પણ કર્યો અને મેં પણ, ફરક એટલો હતો કે તે મને પ્રેમ કર્યો અને મેં તારા દિલને.
वेरी नाइस. मेरे को याद नहीं है, बट आज ही मेरे को पता है सागर कुछ समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट बता रहा था कि बस फर्क इतना है कि मैंने प्यार में कुर्बानी दी और तू वहीं रही, समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. I mean, chuck it, but yeah, still. So that
I love खलील धनतेजवी. Oh my God, मतलब वो क्या, of course the way he writes and the way he speaks, I listen to him a lot. He was a poet.
Yeah. I haven't मतलब discovered him much, but yeah, I have heard couple of his things and stuff. I'm more of a Gulzar guy, and recently I have developed that I have this Zakir Khan वाला touch कि कुछ सवाल है कयामत के रोज पूछूंगा तुम्हें कि उससे पहले तुम्हारी और मेरी मुलाकात हो इस लायक नहीं हो. Oh my God, what the way he writes.
Even that thing of Khalil Tantejvi sir was, તને ચાહું અને તારા ચાહનારાઓને પણ ચાહું તો દિલ આપી દે પાછું, આ બધું આપણને નહીં ફાવે. So deep and આખી કવિતા, it's very pretty.
Gujarati writers have done a lot of things.
Yeah.
That's quite a good part around it. So yeah, I guess that was lovely talking to you, Achal. I mean, I literally enjoyed this time a lot because I got a little bit of good space from my team. They always does this messing around. But yeah, that was great talking to you.
Same here.
I hope you enjoyed it.
It was so candid. मेरे को actually नहीं लगा कि I am talking in front of camera.
There is one thing we'll do. Guys, can I have a marker? We'll have a signature of her and we'll make this kind of thing for our memory. A note that you want to write it of something, a message, and your signature, obviously. Please. Thank you. You guys are the sweetest. Keep working and shining. Hope to see more work of you guys. Love, Achal. Thank you so much. That was so sweet. So yeah, there was the time, guys. This was Saaf Samvad, Seedhi Baat, DH Production. We brought Achal for you. We spoke so many things about her. We'll mention her Instagram, her film links in the bio. Please go and watch Sosham Love. Her film is also in NTR. Natwar urf NTR.
You guys did a review.
मैं भूल जाता हूँ बार बार. I'm bad with. So Natwar urf NTR is a film that she led with. Still in the cinemas, guys. Great film. Go and watch. And the people that she will share the review, so we'll have them on podcast as well again.
Yeah, for sure.
That was what. Like, share and subscribe from you, I mean.
Guys, like this video right now. शेयर पूरे जितने हैं ना सबको भेज दो, शेयर ही कर दो.
Very sweet.
And subscribe it right now. I subscribed them बहुत पहले, the moment I saw the video. तो अभी आपकी उसमें आता है कुछ नहीं करना है, सिर्फ ऐसे दबाना है, तो वो बटन दबा दो और सब्सक्राइब कर दो. Also press the bell icon.
Press the bell icon, guys.